This is my TFT EAS 911, or as Derpy Fire Alarm calls it, my Federal Signal EMAS. Okay, jokes aside, TFT EAS 911. However, mine's got an issue. First of all, I took off the side handles because they're getting in the way. But mine has an issue, and the issue is this. It's not supposed to do that, is it? Anyway, that's not the issue. The issue is these two boards are dead. This one has a loose ribbon connector thingy right there. You can see how it kind of wiggles. My camera doesn't want to focus. You can see how it kind of wiggles. This one, I don't even know anymore. It just doesn't work. So yeah, that's my TFT EAS 911.